Dear colleagues, good evening or good day. I want to talk to you about how we finish the work shift on the closed grill Vesta. Be sure to close the flaps above and below. The ash box must also be closed. Sometime before closure, no less than 3 hours later, we're not throwing away the coal, we're cooking on what we have at the same temperature. Next, we close the furnace. The ash will crumble and the coal will cool. When leaving, turn off the furnace from the outlet so that it stops working. This is about closing. And so, look at what we're still doing at the end of the working day. The device has 4 grease traps on the front, 4 grease traps on the back. We remove the grease traps with such a simple movement of the hand. Carry it to the sink, fill it with water, and add a grease remover. In the middle of the device there are such plates, which are also needed to be removed. In the morning before the start of the work shift, you take a clean grease trap, clean plates, put into place, and start your workday. Now we'll talk about the device of the furnace behind. In this tank with water, about an hour and a half before the end of the work shift, we add 1 cap of grease remover. This must be done so that all the mechanisms of the furnace have time to clean and be free of debris. Attention! Please don't pour too much grease remover because there's a lot of foam in the tank, in the spark arrestor, and this foam will overflow to the floor. Consider this moment, please. Further, in the morning when you come to work, you'll need to rinse the tank from the grease remover. To do this, you or your workmate must turn on this faucet that is connected to the sewage. If there is no sewage, then you need to put a bucket and drain the water. All the dirty water will be drained into sewage. Then you need to fill the tank with clean water and turn on the furnace towards the electrical grid. This procedure must be done 1 to 2 times a week. Everything is just plain and clear. This is all done in order to prevent the formation of stones from smoke. This can happen because all the microparticles that are in the smoke will form into small pebbles that will clog the filter and the pump itself through which water circulates. If you make all this, the furnace will work at least 10 years without repair. I've tried to explain everything to you. Appreciate, love your equipment, and it will serve you for a very long time. See you, colleagues. Good luck.